guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Abieyuwa, our Kevin, with the support evil. We won't die 12 una. 12 una, this una is support that evil child. That evil Okada rider. We say be JTF, joint tax force for wherever. Me, I go know on that day. On that day, Frank Victor, I go know which JTF or which joint tax force. Wherever, however, because you speak, the feel is hearable. You want to claim, say you be JTF. At the house, I don't come back home. So look, I beat you small. Look, I beat you small. So your nonsense and your stupid games. Your games so they play. My two phones are weak. I used my last phone, the list of the list. I do live broadcasts. I don't know if the video quality will be good and so powerful. But I'm at home. I don't call my house. Yeah, boy, jumping from one shower house to another shower house to go to leak blood. You can't say you be human being. You can't talk when men they talk. Who you educate? I don't know. I don't understand. Which people you educate? What difference? Blind person they leave blind person. Now gutter they go for put. That's the kind of people you educate, to the best of my understanding. Who you dey educate from Victor? I no fit see. What you educating na cost idiotic people wey no fit repent. Confirm number one human traffickers that their hands are being soiled. Well, they don't say they don't finish. Now you dey fit, they hold. Those kind of people they hold. Those kind of people, I don't understand. Who they educate? If this thing not clear, maybe this phone not too good because on my last phone, I think they do this broadcast now. The list of the list. You they mad? Won't die for bit to remove from your mate for leg a bit for where? It can't where they do things. You they for bongo, they ride Okada. Yeah, boy. They for bongo. You marry, woman won't leave you. Me, I dey Europe. I dey married for the past 14 years. I not take my hand, destroy my home. My home is still intact, solidified, remains the same. I run things, things don't run me. Yeah, boy. I pity you, sha. And remove my they pity you. The beating I will give you and Mark Kevin tomorrow morning, eh? Come on for there, make you come house, come dance. Because the dance that's your short leg, your short hand, your short body, your short dick, everything about you short. Very short human being. Short people with short foresight. People like pit toilet. They look you to be human being. You not human being for any day. Look at you and laugh. I look at you and laugh. Sometimes I look at you and laugh. Yeah. At my house with this. This is me and my beautiful wife. If you like, go hug transformer. Yeah, this is my parlor in Dublin. And me and my wife. Go and hug transformer. This is my palace in Dublin. You there for Italy, they pay 450 euro. You just say you don't arrive. You're a poor boy. From Victor, you be poor boy. You be poor boy, you buy car for your brothers. That social media will come here. What men don't do before men not talk. Men not talk. What men have done for family. Will not talk, will not make noise. Men remove family, come up for bongo. They not talk. You buy car for your brother, you go meet Papa Wahala, you saw that. You come. Moku come dey impressed. Say Frank Victor have done something spectacular, something great. Frank Victor, you're a baby. Anything they tell you, you be baby. Take her, shove her into your system from bongo and not be your mate. For bongo energy. From Lagos to Benin, I can never be your mate. From Ugeli to Saple, I can never be your mate. Worry to Bayelsa and Romfa, I can never be your mate. You're a small boy. Every time I tell you, say you be small boy. You never know, say, who don't pass person, no, they rake. But they give you Chinese when they say, I big pass you. I too big pass you. You be fly for where I dey. You be ant for where I dey. Fly too big, Frank Victor. You be ant for where I dey. You exhibit your poverty-stricken life to the world. We've been there, we've done that. We've seen things better than what did they give you? You there for climax. You be like woman want come. Or guys in. Now you there now. Oh, we've been there, we've done that. You did instead of a guys, you did for climax. This is your climax? To become a fool like this? You want people to respect you? Oh, you are a boy. And they tell you so you be boy every day, every time. You be boy. You be boy. You be boy. You still be learner. You are a learner, Frank Victor. Mark Kevin and Abieyuwa. I go to beat you Nasha. Okosa na Frank Victor. I go beat you, Frank Victor. Come talk. Make I take your history. Your small history for 2 years on this Edo cyberspace, they beat you. This small one, I go know whether na truth they prevail or na lies they prevail for this space. Hey boy, dirty, useless, lapa, sinking, Libya idiot. Kudos to the good ones who get sense. Not be Frank Victor with that whistling, that whatever, that baby whistling. Where they support evil, baby whistling. Ready for Andromorphoma. I will put you and Frank Victor together. Idiotic, recalcitrant bench warmer in Italy there. Magas. Mugu. And by the grace of God, you survive. By the grace of God, you live. What if people don't they plan for you? They don't donate you. I don't tell you times to that number. But the donation process, they so slow. But as you did so, if by mistake I see you for the party, I go beat you. I go just give you slap. You know if you hold one of my hands, Frank Victor. You know I go beat you. You know if you hold one of my hands, I will beat you. Then we'll go start case. Then from there you go a carol. A carol is your next destination. It's your prophecy, the year 2024. I prophesy upon your head. A carol, now you will go. You're evil, not too much. Who those idiots, when they say this land, that for miscreant like them, when they support you, those losers, those idiots, when they do for free house, they get free Wi-Fi, they comment, they call you, say they be human being. On that day, the men will be separated from the boys. That's what I promise you. On that day, when I go touch you, I go see those idiots when they call you. But because you don't do. In all Eddie Murphy adventure on Edo cyberspace, you not do what you do. You're evil too much. That is why I say 2024, it must be stopped. The evil, waiting they go, they leak blood up and down from different places. That vampire will be, it must be stopped. December 31st. It said that I stop or you have me as a nightmare. Mama Kevin should have me as a nightmare. Abieyuwa should have me as a nightmare. Look at the tell now. Put together. I not play music now. I not play music. I say I will pass this message across to you. Your evil not too much. This evil not go past the 31st of December. That effort where you they get because they call people adulterous. You never call Mama Ego, make you call clear your name. From Victor, if I catch you personally, I go break your knee personally. Idiot. Kettle they call pot black. Where all the things they smell for your body. Everything. Now you want be. Ajebo, Shentro. The other one, Shentro. Whereby you want be like them. Now you not be like them. They will try. They will not come out easily. You'll just come out. Under 1-2 years, you'll just show to the world who you want fool. You dey mad? Mark Kevin and Abieyuwa. Case, you don't reach for me to conclude, which I said 2024. If you not position yourself well, we go there here the dragon. We go know who strong pass of the land. We won't down from Victor. Yeah, boy. They mad. Who you the fool for this space? This is the tip of the iceberg. When I just tell you, say, I'm ready for you. Make you just the fool, you choose a fool. You will choose a fool people like you. Not people that are well equipped with my intellectual prowess. Not be those where they camp, where they be zombie when in one way. Those dejected, frustrated women where they call you. And that one for house arrest. Where they frustrated, dejected. You to say that one a human being. Look at people around you. Those who first get around yourself, they never first get class. They still run leave you. Now house arrest, they call you. Now you go they talk. Hey, you want me to listen to house arrest? What a wrong philosophy you want pass across. House arrest, a reject, a recluse in the society. Now those want to listen to. What are you projecting from Victor? A delinquent. Why must somebody be in house arrest? He or she is a threat to society. You want to make delinquent or teach people, with people where they free, the normal values of life to live. You don't say you be delinquent as well, like house arrest. You're not delinquent. House arrest are delinquent. Delinquent want to teach people where they free, will not commit crime, put their record they straight. What a shame. What a big shame from Victor. You lack knowledge. Umaywa under my foot. You not get knowledge. You think so now where you think say you know rich, that there another person you for start. Now I tell you say you don't rant, you don't lie finish. The day we put pennies for this those cyberspace, everybody beat you. Did I come out? I never came out. I don't beat people at their weakest point in time. I will give you momentum. If I say you never see clean for that evil way, now I say you don't reach. When you put pennies, everybody beat you. You naked, you drink, you put your dick or public domain. That's your small dick where nobody feel see. Where it be like a ant. And not come out, come beat you that time. I told them, say, I don't beat people at their weakest point in time. But I say you no want to relent for your evil. That's why I say 2024. Hey, if you not change for your way, hand go touch you this time around. Any which way you want that. Do your juju, do everything. I go beat Abieyuwa, I go beat Mama Kevin, I go beat all of it put together. Anybody call your page, I go beat them. All of them put together. You bring picture, I go bring all of them come out. But we soon sabi like pass. As I say, now plus 10, plus 20% of Maggie. I say they do saga. But the way I go to beat you, people will guess are going to say, you don't fail. You be evil. You be definition of evil. Epitome of evil. You dey destroy marriage. Any man wey get wife, he dey do YouTube, he dey do Facebook, he get connected to you, that man should double sit and wake up and caution his wife. Because you are evil, self of pit of hell. I tell you before, say, black say you don't die for Libya, the Mediterranean Sea. You not be human being. Me, I don't tell you say you don't die. You be demonic spirit. You not be human being. The way you do your things, I know say you don't die before. You are dead before. You come to destroy. You not come to make peace. You come to destroy. That's your mission. But people like me, they here. We will see at the end of the day. Can't lie your lie. You say, na preamble today. The time I will take camera, sit down. Mama Kevin and this other woman. Mama Kevin, Mama Ego, and Abieyuwa. I go wrap all of them again. I go reawaken Mama Ego case. My True Word, True VTV. I go waking the case again. Now new saga 2024. Go do am to eternity. We will know the talk truth. If not soon a lie or take die, we will know. But truth, I must say it, from this table, the home of equality and justice. That's what I stand for. I just the cheat the look useless. So let me rest the case for the now. Wounda, blood sucker. When they fight to blood to suck all up and down. Evil picking, evil child. Evil women when they give her blood to suck. Dirty women. You could not go pay on a madam. If you not get curse on her head, those evil women, when I go pay on a madam, when I find they put on her armpit hair, when I clear on her name. When they fear Frank, who be Frank when they fear? When I go pay. When I go pay, when I go pay on a madam, when I head clear. Idiotic women everywhere. They mad. Make I leave the broadcast. Frank Victor, make I hear you again. Tomorrow I dey come out for you. My beautiful wife, they take a walk. Well, honey. Frank Victor will not get wife for us. He never put woman for house one day for Europe here. He never stay with woman 1 year. Now they advise people on marriage. You don't know what it takes to be a married man. Now they find adulterous. Make adulterous kill your papa, kill your mama. Your papa don't fit die. Your papa don't fit die. Make adulterous kill your papa, your mama. You never put woman for house. You don't get one you put for house for 2 months. But we hear say you would live in peace. Before we go no. Now so shit the person yash. Now so the person whatever from Victor. You know the shame. You know the shame. You will come. Now so woman when you make love to, shit they yash. That kind of man. Now I do women. Benin women they look up to. Mama Kevin. You are next. You are next. Soon we go know how white baby dey your pussy. From Victor will come and tell us. You can't tell us how white baby dey your pussy. You come this place, can't tell us. Na a way, na a nature, na a antecedent, na a way. So nothing. And so it take fabricate breast. You give Becky blow her. That if you a real breast with that, na a way. That kind of person, if people get sense, people will get sense. Person like Frank Victor, if they talk, nobody go there, go listen. But now say now where they devilish, where they demonic, now go there, go they call. They are doing well, make us solve case. Who never experienced marriage, never can solve marriage for on head. Make all of now the support from Victor. The press up, the turn that way go pile of now. If the press up don't finish, that will strike now. By January 1st, it will strike all of now dead. It will pile of now. That's my message to now. Have a nice day. A nice night. The good people will love peace. We love justice. We love equal right. We love truth. Not be liars from Victor. Followers. Baby Wilson. Liars. The music will sing for her. Liars. You hear people everywhere. You hear the smell. Everywhere you hear the smell. You hear the smell follow from Victor. You hear the smell follow us. You hear the smell follow Cynthia Odewale for UK where they call for a program. That's Cynthia. Where they get the infantry to the call for Frank Victor program. Cynthia Odewale. If you to they scratch you, give her to your husband. Frank Victor, if Frank Victor leak the blood, he go die. We won't die, Cynthia. Yeah, woman with the same blue fee up and down. Same blue fee. They send blue fee to men. You know, say you be taboo to the land. We won't die, Cynthia. They send blue fee. Make Frank come lick your pussy. Now make Frank come lick your pussy. 2024, all these evil women, if you like be Benin, you be Igbo, when they support Frank, they send a blue film, they give her, they propel her, all of una. I get una fire there from my table. Cynthia, you get husband for UK there. They send a blue film. You send me blue film. I ask you why you will send me blue film. Why? Unto what? Unto what reason? As a married woman. Even if Frank, you go happy, the next thing you go to toast you. When you don't toast you finish, before you know, you don't the bomb, they load the account. What a shameless women all around. Cynthia, I listen to Frank program. I hear you call. You no fear. You no fear for this evil they commit. I go disgrace you, Sha, on this cyberspace. Let me rest for the now.